When you hear a fast tapping sound in the forest, it is probably a woodpecker. But this small bird is far more amazing than most people think. The woodpecker is found in many parts of the world, and it is famous for one strange habit. It spends most of its life hitting trees with its beak. The shocking part is this. A woodpecker can peck a tree up to 20 times in 1 second. Now here's the big question. How does it not get a headache or damage its brain? The answer is incredible. The woodpecker has a special skull and brain structure. Its brain is tightly packed and cushioned, and its skull acts like a natural shock absorber. This protects its brain from strong impacts. If a human tried to do this, they would be unconscious in seconds. A woodpecker's tongue is also very strange. It is extremely long and can wrap around the bird's skull inside its head. This long tongue helps it reach deep into holes in trees and pull out insects. And yes, woodpeckers do not hit trees for no reason. They do it to find food, to make a home, and also to talk to other woodpeckers. The sound of pecking is like a message that says, "This area is mine." Another amazing fact is that woodpeckers can detect insects moving inside trees. They listen carefully for tiny sounds and vibrations, then drill straight to their target. Woodpeckers also help nature in a big way. When they make holes in trees, other birds and animals later use those holes as homes. So in a way, woodpeckers build houses for many other creatures. Their beak is very strong, but it also keeps growing, just like human nails. This is important because pecking all day would wear it down very fast. Their feet are also special. They have 2 toes facing forward and 2 facing backward. This helps them hold on to tree trunks tightly while climbing. Even their tail is not normal. It is stiff and strong, and they use it like a support stick to balance their body against the tree. Some woodpeckers can live for more than 10 years in the wild, which is a long life for a bird of this size. But sadly, many woodpecker species are losing their homes because forests are being cut down. Without old trees, they cannot find food or places to live. So the next time you hear that fast tapping sound in the forest, remember, you are listening to one of nature's most skilled and hard-working birds. The woodpecker is not just a bird. It is a living drilling machine, an insect hunter, and a builder for other animals.